The premise: various online voices claim they're pulling in serious money, from a few $100s a day to $600,000 a month, through dropshipping via AI-generated Shopify stores. The creator, Mark Tilbury, decides to test whether this is realistic by building a store himself, using only free tools. His 3 constraints: only free AI tools, total spend under $1, everything done from his laptop, finished within 1 hour. Step 1. Choosing a platform and niche. He picks a tool called Build Your Store, which promises to build a Shopify store and handle dropshipping so he never touches inventory. When a customer orders, the supplier ships directly to them. After signing up with his name, email, and a password, he's asked to pick a niche from 6 categories: fashion, pets, electronics, home/garden, sports/fitness, or not sure. He goes with sports and fitness, reasoning that his son's interest in boxing, running, and gym culture suggests strong demand. Plus, he's noticed younger people increasingly socializing at running clubs rather than bars. Step 2. Designing the storefront. He reviews 6 banner options and narrows them down using practical logic. A banner cluttered with unrelated products could confuse buyers if the store doesn't actually stock those items, and banners featuring only one gender risk alienating half the potential customer base. He settles on 2 finalists, a balanced design and one with an eye-catching sunset, noting banners matter because they're a customer's first impression, and they can always be swapped later. Step 3. Setting up Shopify. He creates a free Shopify trial account, skips the guided setup since the AI tool will do the heavy lifting, and selects the basic plan, aimed at solo sellers and the most commonly chosen tier. He enters payment info for when the trial ends, but points out this doesn't violate his $1 rule since nothing's actually charged yet. Landing on the Shopify dashboard, he admits it looks complicated, but expects the AI to handle most of it. He then installs the Build Your Store app from within Shopify and clicks to generate the custom store, leaving the AI to build the site in the background while he moves to the next stage.